James and Max here, and welcome to Instant Crypto Payday. I mean, this is an absolutely crazy time to be living. It's an absolutely crazy time to be a part of this product. Why? Because not only for Max and myself, but we have person after person getting paid every single day, not even having to do anything. When you see what's going on here, it's going to blow your mind. This is not something that you have to be tech savvy. This is not something that you have to know about crypto. This is something about, do you want money for basically doing nothing? Do you want to be guaranteed that you get paid in crazy, crazy ways? And we've broken it down. When you see this, there's multiple ways that you can get being paid. A lot of times when you see a product, it's just this one strategy. It's like, ah, man, the strategy is not what I thought it was. It's like, when you see this, I mean, we could have, even though it's an easy, quick way to see how this is done, you could go with method 1. You might go with method 5, but you can go with whatever method that we're saying. You can get in there and you can get paid. We've had person after person. It's like, this works. And think of it like this: it's crypto, but it's money. And doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can get paid. Doesn't matter how technical you are, doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter how smart you are. When you see some of these ways, it's going to blow your mind. Basically, can you breathe? Do you have access to the internet? Then you can get paid every single day. You want to pick this up. The price of it, it's a no-brainer. We've been involved with crypto for years, and the one thing that our students ask is like, we don't want anything technical. We don't want something that's like, oh, this might pay out for us 10 years from now. We want to get paid now, and we don't want to have to do any work. Well, that's Instant Crypto Payday. Max?
Yeah, guys, so this is definitely a super exciting product because, anyone can do this. You don't need to learn anything. You can start it right now. We don't have one method for you. We've got like multiple methods for you. They all work, and you can make crypto without you having to learn anything. You can get this started today. And like, this is definitely super exciting. Is it like, you should definitely check out the button down below, click on it right now, join us, because this is like something that, yeah, it's just super exciting. It works for anyone out there. So really just, do yourself a big favor, get started today, earn some free crypto without you having to create anything, build anything, learn anything. You can just get started right away. Click on the button down below now, join us and get started as soon as like now, really.